Join me as I do my first outdoor harvest. Good morning. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's off to a great productive day. Yes, y'all, I am doing my first outdoor harvest of 2025 in Grow Zone 5B. So I am excited to bring y'all along with me as I do my first outdoor harvest of the year. For those who've been following the channel, know it's been a long, challenging growing season to get to where I'm at now, but we finally made it. And the first thing that I'm gonna harvest is some kale. I want y'all to take a look at this kale right here. So this kale has been growing and been doing a great job out here inside of my, what I call my protected greenhouse, because I have it inside of a kennel surrounded by bird netting to keep all the bad insects out, especially the white butterfly. Some people call it the white moth, the white fly. But ever since I put everything inside of here, I've been having no problems at all with any insects getting on anything that I have in here. But we're gonna go ahead and get this kale harvested. So for those who've been following me, watch the journey of this kale growing from a small plant to what it is now. So I got my bowl right here, got me some pruners. Let's go ahead and harvest this kale. And for those who watch garden channels and don't garden, I encourage y'all to get out and grow a garden. It's nothing like fresh fruits and vegetables that's homegrown in your backyard. It's a different taste than when you buy the stuff from out of the store. Take a look at these leaves, y'all. Y'all see that? See how nice and fresh that is? As you can see, we got a nice harvest of kale right here, and we left some on the plant to continue to grow. Celery doing nice. First time successfully growing celery. Cabbages are coming along nicely. My son's project, for those who've been following, is doing great. But the next thing we're gonna harvest is gonna be some black Simpson lettuce out of my flood and drain system. For those who are not familiar with a flood and drain system, what it is you have what's called a flood and drain table, which is this right here. All it is pretty much a tray like that right there. Then you have what's called an ebb and flow kit. This right here is an ebb and flow kit. And down here I have a reservoir, and I have hydroponic nutrients in it. And when the pump cuts on, the nutrients and water will start filling in through the ebb and flow kit through this one right here. Once it gets to this level right here, the nutrients will drain back out inside of the reservoir. But once it fills up, it will sit for a second. You can kind of see the line right there. It'll sit for a second, giving the plants time to drink the nutrients from the bottom. And out of all the systems I have set up out here, my hydroponic system where I'm growing lettuce versus all my containers right here and everything I have over there, I like the flood and drain system the best. Reason being is you're not wasting water, because all your water and nutrients is right there in the reservoir. It's hands-free watering because it's set on a timer, and it'll automatically water all the plants. And then on top of that, you're not losing all the water on the ground when you use a sprinkler. I also noticed too that with the plants I have in the flood and drain system versus in regular containers grows a lot quicker. As you can see, these two collard greens here, I started at the same time. I did one in the flood and drain system and did another one in the container, and look at the size difference. Both plants look healthy and good, but look at the size. So I'm debating if I want to purchase a bigger flood and drain system, and they sell these tables in different sizes. This one here is a 4x2, but they sell a 4x4, 4x6, 4x8, and you can buy different size containers to put in them. But let's go ahead and get this black Simpson lettuce and the spinach that's around here hiding up under it harvested. Take a look at that lettuce, y'all. Nice and fresh. Nice fresh bowl of lettuce. Let's go ahead and get this spinach harvested. Take a look at those leaves, y'all. Don't that look nice? And there you have it, y'all. My first outdoor harvest of 2025 in Grow Zone 5B. Fresh bowl of lettuce, kale, and spinach. Well, I want to thank y'all for joining me today as I harvested out of my garden for the first time. Hopefully everybody is having great success in their garden. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel and clicking that notification bell so you don't miss none of my future videos. And as always, thank y'all for watching. And for those who hung around and watched the whole entire video, I just want to say thank you. I really do appreciate y'all. It does help the channel out. And if it's any kind of special video y'all want to see, go down in the comment section and let me know. If y'all want to know more about hydroponic gardening, or if you want to know more about flood drain gardening, just go in the comment section and let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see, and I'm gonna see if I can make that happen.